Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Are you looking for a simple and efficient way to download YouTube videos directly to your laptop? Well, in today's video, I'll be showing you how to download YouTube video in laptop or desktop. Okay, so let's get started right away. You will learn how you can quickly save your favorite videos for offline viewing with ease. To begin, simply follow these easy steps. First and foremost, on YouTube, find or locate the YouTube video you want to download. In my case, I will be looking for copyright-free or royalty-free videos to download. After you've found the video you want to download, follow these steps to copy the video link. I'm going to try and download this one. Click on the video, copy the video link by right-clicking here and select copy. This will copy link address to your clipboard. Now that you have the video link copied, it's time to proceed with the download process. Here's what you need to do. Open a new tab in your web browser, and on Google search bar type in YouTube 4K Downloader. And press enter. Select the YouTube 4K Downloader. It's the first one here. Once the website is loaded, you will see a text field that says, "Enter your video link here." Right-click on the text field and select Paste to insert the video link you copied earlier. The website will automatically start searching for the video. After a brief moment, you will be presented with the video details, including its title and available download options. As you scroll down, you have the option to download the full video without sound or sound only. I'm going to download the full video with sound. To initiate the download, click on the download button next to the desired format. I think I'll select 1080p MP4 format. As you can see on the bottom left corner, the file currently downloading. Wait for it to finish. Okay, it looks like the download is completed. Click on it. Congratulations! You have successfully downloaded the YouTube video to your laptop or desktop. The video file will be saved in your default download location. Now you can watch it anytime, even without an internet connection. And to prove it was downloaded, look for the video file in your computer's downloads folder. And there it is. Once you find the video, you can play it using your preferred media player. Hope you found this tutorial helpful for you. Please consider dropping down a like below the video. I would really appreciate it. And if you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section below, and I'll do my best to answer them. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.